Roger, we see you preparing for ingress. One double check on the safety tether pack that's on the arm. Can you verify that the reel is unlocked? I believe I heard you call that, but please verify the reel is unlocked.
Yep, both unlocked.
Copy, thank you.
And the maneuver is about to begin. With a go from our flight director here, Raja Chari is good to move to the work site at the controls of Kayla Barron and Tom Marshburn.
Roger, we're starting motion, 4 meters, station forward. Copy.
It's going straight in nadir. And speed, I would say like, it was maybe half a meter per minute. A bit faster. Maybe 2 meters per minute. But straight nadir.
Roger, we're starting motion, 7 meters, station zenith. Your head will be facing starboard and zenith. When we're done, we're in course rates.
Copy. I've got my destination in sight.
And he's off. Robotic arm operator Tom Marshburn just confirmed with Raja Chari that he is in motion.
Over your left shoulder. Over my left shoulder. Oh, yes. Look at you. You got the transport. Flight time will be 3804.
Copy, 3804. And we're excited that Raja is having a chance to fly the smooth and friendly skies of Kayla and Tom.
Absolutely. Way better than business class.
Chari is now on the robotic arm in flight to his workstation today. Just crossed over the southern tip of Argentina as he had a second to take a break and enjoy the ride.
Roger, while you're on the arm, there's a few get-ahead steps that you can perform. Retrieving the GoPro from the crew lock bag and powering it on. You can verify the light is blinking and stow it on your mini workstation facing out.
And Roger, we are starting motion, 8 meters aft, 3 meters nadir. You'll be facing the truss.
Copy. You said I can go ahead and turn it on, Stephanie, now? So we're ready?
That's affirmed.
The Canadarm 2 is still in motion with Raja Chari on board. He's doing a couple of get-ahead tasks like powering on a GoPro that he brought with him. Provides the ground the opportunity to get an astronaut's view of what they'll be working on today. Meanwhile, Matthias Maher is working on to install the Ethernet cable to the last handrail. As soon as he's done with that, he'll retrace his steps and head back to the Cedar cart, where more equipment awaits him.